So, welcome student. Now we will continue with the lesson number 2, that is odd one in. Okay. We come to the point, that is the poor Malti, the last this point, that is the poor Malti. She did not realize that they were making a fun of her. She beamed back at them and replied, "Good morning." Okay, good morning. So the child, that Malti is very innocent. Shehnaz giggled. Why do you put so much oil on your hair? She asked rudely. Malti looked offended but did not reply. And the skirt so long, she said clear catly. Malati flushed. She was about to say something when teacher entered. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Malati raise her hand whenever teacher asked questions. So that Malati is very brilliant student. Yes, Malati, you answer, said teacher. Malati answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciations. When Rima recounted this at home, her mother said, "Sound like a clever girl." So Rima tells what happening in the school. The mother reply with the good sentence that it sounds like a clever girl, that Malti is a clever girl. Okay, what is the use, said Rima uncharitably. Her English is so atrocious. Uncharitably means the unlawful or unrespectful. Uh, the same may be said of your Hindi, countered Mr. Sen sharply. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. So, the attitude of Rima, her father did not like this, her attitude towards the Malati. So, Sen replied quickly that the Hindi of Rima is also very bad. Okay. When Mr. Sen did not like it, that night Rima's parents discussed the matter. So they become very serious about the attitude of Rima. We put Rima into a good school to make her smart and confident. I am afraid she is turning into quite a little snob, said Mr. Sen Sadly, the snob the abstract behavior towards other म्हणजे मत्सरी स्वभाव. ओके. द फॉलोविंग सॅटरडे वॉज द इंटर हाऊस singing competition. Rima, who was participating in the English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of participants. For the Hindi song category, Oily Plains sing also. She said snidely to Claire. Crooks, you mean, giggled Claire. So they all make fun about the uh, Malati. They were to be proved wrong. Malati sang beautifully. She had a melodious and a well trained voice. Rima and her gang had decided to jeer when Malti sang, but there was such absolute silence they did not dare to. They were sure to get caught when the Malti finished. The principal was the first one who started clapping, followed by the teacher and student. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. So, Eve, Rima didn't come first in her category. Somehow she felt no joy. So they all are annoyed with the Malati or with the Malti. They did not like the Malati because of their physique, her physique. As the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all that Malati was a bright child. She was quiet and studious and intelligent. She fared well in a sport as well as in the studies. Um, Although the Malti looked abstract, she was a brilliant student. Her nature was very calm and respectful. So the good qualities belongs to the Malati, and Rima and her friends get annoyed to her. She fared well in sport, so she has good in sports also. Her forte was mathematics, and her simple appearance belied a sharp and a nimble brain. So she is very calm. Nimble brain. Slowly, many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics, help which she uh, readily and cheerfully gave. The many girls began seeking her help. So the nature, as the other students comes to know that Malati is a brilliant student, so they started to get get the help in mathematics from her, from Malti, her simple appearance, and she also gives help. She also help to the others.
ठीक आहे बघा आता सर्वांनी तुमचे कॅमेरे चालू करा पटकन.
The teacher had liked the respectful and intelligent girl from the beginning. Now, girls from the class also befriended her. Now, all the girls also started friendship with Malati, not Rima and her clique, though. But Rima's group avoid be friends,
आता मी ज्यांचं नाव
being a friend.
माझ्याकडे नाव आहेत कोण कोण आहे त्यांनीच उत्तर द्यायचं बाकीच्यांनी ऐकायचं फक्त समजलं का. मी ज्यांचं नाव घेत नाही त्यांनी उत्तर द्यायचं बाकीच्यांनी ऐकायचं.
They stubbornly dislike Malati. So due to the physique look of Malati, the group of Rima avoid to doing friendship with her. They were a stylish lot, and nothing that Malati did could alter the facts that she was not their type. So Malati had a different attitude and wearing clothes, and the habits of wearing clothes totally different than Rima and her group. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly her English. So Rima and her group pick up each and every point of making fun on the Malati. Malati felt bad about their behavior. One day she was on a verge of tears when Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said "ux" instead of "ask." Her voice trembling, Malti said, "I know my English is weak. Yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it?" "I won't be able to help you, my dear," replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. So Rima becomes rude with with Malati. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified type. Countrified type.
शाबास बरोबर रेल्वे रेल्वे आरशने छान उत्तर दिलं लगेच छान गुड ठीक आहे आरशने सांगितलं बरं आता
Malti's face turned red, so she became angry. She wanted to retort but could not find the right word. She burst into tears and ran off. "That was a horrid Rima," said Shehnaz. "Yes," agreed Neha and Claire roundly. Rima was shocked. Her own friends had turned against her. She walked off in a huff. So, the behavior of Rima with Malti becomes very cruel, abstract. So the friends of Rima also said or blame Rima that the behavior with the Malti is not so good. This word did not like by Rima. Mr. Sen found her subdued over lunch but decided not to ask anything. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. She was too proud to admit it even to herself.
मंजिरी कुठं गेली?
So, after some time, Rima realized that the behavior of
मंजिरी सांग
with
तुला काय
Malati,
म्हणजे
her behavior with Malati was very bad, and she also come into know that, or she did not like her behavior.
काय? अगं बुलेट कार म्हणजे काय? बुलेट कार म्हणजे काय?
Here, this story
मला
stop.
शब्द विचारलाच नाही बुलेट कार.
This whole story belongs to the relationship of Malati and Rima, because of the Malati did not have a good physique, and the vocabulary. So all the groups in that school of Rima started making fun on her physique, and the vocabulary on the vocabulary. And after some time, although that Malati is a brilliant student, so she never becomes angry to the taunts making or fun making by the group of Rima. Malti had a good behavior, always behavior good with them, and she has a helping nature, so she always helps to this group. So all the friends of Rima becomes the friend of Malati, but it hurts to the Rima. So this story, this lesson shows the relationship of the Rima and Malati. Okay, so we will stop here, and after in a next lecture we will go through the theme of this lesson.